Another simple and easy one pot meal, and also that you can try this as a dieter's recipe without adding any flour. Instead you can add more eggs. So this is chicken and cabbage pie for dinner, lunch or even breakfast. Even you can use this in lunch boxes too. For this recipe I am using about 400 grams diced chicken, about half a cabbage I washed thoroughly, 1 carrot, half of a capsicum, quarter bunch of parsley, 4 eggs, a teaspoon of stock powder, salt, pepper and paprika to your taste, a teaspoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of mayonnaise. Instead of mayonnaise you can add yogurt, and quarter teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, onion, garlic and some chilies. Chilies are always optional. Half a cup or 125 milliliters milk, 1 cup 150 grams plain flour. So let's start doing this. So simple and easy again. I always try to use the easy method so that I can save my time. And into a food processor add the carrot, and into that add the parsley. Now the capsicum, and process. Once it halfway processed, add the cabbage. So it should be somewhat like this. So take it out and let's process the rest of the cabbage. So it is ready, and take it out. Cut the onion, garlic and chilies separately. Into a pot add about a tablespoon oil. Into that add the onion, garlic and the chilies. Stir. After, add the chicken into it. Cook the chicken with the onions about 5 minutes. Into that add the salt, pepper and paprika, and about a teaspoon of stock powder. Mix and cook covering. After, add the cabbage into it. Cook about 2 minutes. Now let's prepare the pan. For that I am using 8-inch cake pan, and take some butter onto your fingers and spread the butter evenly all over the pan. After, put some flour onto it and make sure to spread the flour all over. So it's ready. So let's do the next part. For that, break the eggs into a bowl. Into that add the milk, add a bit of salt, a tablespoon of mayonnaise. Mayonnaise, add this oil to this. So if you want, you can omit mayonnaise and add some butter or oil, about 30 milliliters. So mix. Add a teaspoon of baking powder and a quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Mix again. Now add the flour bit by bit. The batter should be like a thick pancake mix. As you can see, it's thick. Leave it aside. So this is the cabbage I prepared. At this point, preheat the oven to 180 Celsius. Add about 1/3 of the mix to the bottom of the pan and just spread it all over. Onto that add the cabbage, Spread it evenly. Now onto the cabbage, add the rest of the batter. Now get a sharp edge spatula and slowly let it cover the edges like this. Now get the excess air out from the pan. So all the bubbles that coming up will disappear when you do this. Now this goes to the preheated oven about 40 minutes. The cabbage pie is ready and I just took it out from the oven. So you can put it on a wire rack to cool down completely, and let's see after. So the cabbage pie is ready. Let's cut it and see how it is. So this is how it is, cabbage in the middle and a nice pie that you can create in 30 minutes. Hope you will enjoy this. See you next time.